the chief of staff, Nhyira, Julius Debra, or Pacho, Ewo, Dr. Ewusi, Nasemwa Okai, no Kai, and Semo Kachre, a apostle, say on canon to me, the accounts in me, in fact, a trend the Saturday cries, so yes, I can't want him. Emma Mamma Sabe Pacho, say, or Pacho, say, be a seminar Okai, no, affected a apostle, na Ghana Funina. Said your Kasa and one can say, yeah, I am Fancheno Mameno, a Kasa or Honsa, but people were calling, say, and Kayamba Mamena, Majina Honey Mike, no. Na on Pacho dance Julius Debra ebe Pacho. But let's listen to it first before you be making a comment. Ibra Facebook, we Julius Debra bra na or Pacho on behalf of Dr. Mary Ewusi.
But the chairman of our church, you know, myself, Honorable Elder Ofuswampofo, our local government minister, and several others are members of your church. A few days ago, one of our colleagues, Dr. Mary Ewusi, slipped a bit against you. And I want on this occasion to commemorate my birthday, to let the whole church forgive us. It was just a slip. It wasn't intentionally done to malign our church. I believe sincerely that you forgive her and forgive us and accept us as your children. God richly bless all of you.
Nhyira Julius Debra ena osuno, in fact ordinisuo ena pacha wo ho na ho nsem so abebebre ti owie ya na Apostle Dr. Eric Nyamechese there be insu.
As for this lady, she has made me more popular. Yeah, people like that, I don't think about them. Yeah, because she just made our church and myself more popular. If I held anything against her, like standing here to speak for 45 minutes, I would have said something about her. But I think that we all have our opinions on issues. And so let's just forget about this one.
Apostle Doctor and was say Mamino Kramana popular more Nina Safuna we preach for so many minutes into hours na nka obeka ho asem anka ha no anka aka ho asem but the channel da free na kuma munti apostles who bibia against Dr. Ewusi. But this is the chief of staff. So those of you who are saying say the internet chief of staff na say also ba no koye no appointees ni nyina wo headmaster any chief of staff edibampani ma opposition bia said DC CEOs ni ade nyina no chief of staff and the yen kan say headmaster wo hwe wo muso wo nyina koye say teacher for wo hwe wo muso. It is with the name no patch that is leadership and no tre akendie papa Dr. Mary Ewusi enso apache ono de na me problem kakra with the if no or the share ni mu no, but at the end of the day wa patch na I always say we better listen to the politicians as to how bibribi o manua mav daria na bibia na yeka as no yɛnwene ho mprinu ansa na yakasa no. This should be a lesson to all politicians. Now this calls for humility ewo omun kasa yi mu because Ghana for na mo kasa ne sebe yɛnworo yɛde mu nkosoro yɛworo ba fam yɛdwene yitie mu nsɛm no so a yɛdwene ho ne yehu nyansa wo mu ebi hu sebe jimie batato a yehunu. It is a jimie batato a ne atwe wadwene sisu sebe bi ekono nye but ebi ahantanti yɛnte ase na hantan di was say yenim tu bon said o makohwe ase arrogance of power ye ka ho asem abribia. And this will be a lesson to all the politicians. I like this one and I wonder why the some of the NPP mpanimfo ni bi ni communicators ni bi criticize say adena maame na ne yama na me pache we frakadama chelpa na Julius Debra na ekopache. At least we are better than Abronye issue with Archbishop Duncan Williams. Because with that one, the NPP just issued a statement. Or say NPP distances itself from Abronye's comments against Archbishop Duncan Williams. Abronye did Duncan Williams attempt time. NPP only wrote a statement, say, omo twe omo hu firi abronya asem no ho nyese omo be pache wo omo twe omo hu firi ho. But at least this one has shown leadership, going there to apologize in the church. Enti mo am criticizing the chief of staff na akona de na yese oye, at least omo take step ye pese mu nyina musua amanyofo ni nyina musua na etimi boa, because o man na etimu no when it comes to issues of national interest, be to say galamsey a say one wey na ye manyoni na ye wa adwen say with selfish interest nti wo be kata suba ma yen ya behuna ma ne de a ene yen so we will come after you. My country say galamsey nsem de yen fa ni agro, because we know the implications and the kidney problems are we all come for nothing and others are why we say this here. And more show leadership. Julius Debra, I know you to be a man, a very humble man, and respectful. I mean, why are there and taking that charge to apologize? I did the account. Kudos to you guys. Now, muntu omosofo se kasa tantino in communication. Moncrofo ni nyai. Na omaino di hiaye no. Hiaye oka ho asemo aka ne ye. Eugene.
Yeah, afidie na asumeme nkadai.
Bizum wa video.
Nze mingane.
Bizum wa video.
Ibo munipa. Ntu onko pacho.
Na maamene so pacho.
Na polo we ya pacho.
O so pacho.
Akwa yan
in fact Saturday no dey.
This issue no. Me oye na eye ya. No aje o mic. The producer to achi.
O so pacho.
Me dey me pese o pese me ka bi dia. Fantasy we no so.
I made you know. And some mama we nsu nwunu ano.
Maame no omu nipa. Yen ka no krenkyere dan for me say dan for. Ne kasa anye. Ne kasa time pan na san be patwa wa say Ghana for dwen say. Na say maame no one oni hunumu. Onya remorseful. Oni ni die ma pani. Unse ne papa ne kasa aya.
Saturday nyumre woni madam fu bi frɛ me.
Me bamba. Unse ne papa ne kasa aya. Say na benyansafo kasa.
E kasa opacho. Yeah. That's
no Julius ko no sunyo wapacho. Me president man kebi na me dwen say yi kakra. But at least the chief of staff akasa.
No, but it's supposed to be the chief of staff.
Printing code of conduct. Ye mo muska.
Yeah.
Code of conduct ni shem say ni ye bi say. Ye twa so ye yi.
Arrogance no. Mama so won tolerate.
Me e bae no. Me can say tell them to media say yes akene there. I think but utie ne pacho na. She still sounds very arrogant and condescending. Condescending means kan tu omunipa ne die ni nafa. Yenye ne salary ni bi nkonkon ho.
Sam.
Akwa omo politics no omo ye no. NDC no e beto the Church of Pentecost.
I think say we bear lesson.
Omo NPP ni omo NDC no e beto the Church of Pentecost.
Yeah.
They should respect themselves. Mo nya mo politics. Enya wo merewusi, enya wo wan ene wo unim diem, ene ye beje galamsey update. Enya wo unim diem. Ene ye beje galamsey update every wo. Ye ka say my the 3 basic water index dey check say galamsey ko so unim. What is this? As I'm just some politician and they have some unfettered assets be to say whatever. Tran radio so ke kan ye mope.
Yeah.
And I miss when I blame you. So sorry, be a mic, Obia, no can your pet radio. So,
what is
this? Intimidation was soon, and Febby Biema, and soon to be a ma as a phone a printed book. You discount a mao.
Tiamas Ramfaso.
Let's answer them.
Right.
A bit of arrogance, say, Abroso. I never am going to coca say, you fat your boy in any
power. Yeah.
No man yet your boy, 43 zones.
Meda si Eugene say to Mamen kwa humana so ne